Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use paper component of Material UI in React. So let us start. And here I just import box component, and here also I use box. Now I use typography also. I say typography variant equal to h4. Now I say here MUI paper example, and I remove this, save this, and I need to import this. So I say import box and typography from MUI material. Save this. Now I say alignment also to the center. So if we run this, we will see that we have such kind of output. Now I need to use paper. So paper is just like a card type of component, tab, and it will insert automatically. And then we use it here, and here I type in this paper. I try to write typography, and I say variant is equal to h4, and here I say that paper heading, and inside this I take one more typography. Here I say variant equal to body 2, and I just write here some dummy text. So I say lorem, save this. So we have dummy text also. So if I try to see the output, you see we have such kind of paperwork but is not visible. So here I say it is h5, and like this, and I say this paper is inside, or I can say this paper width, because it would not support width, so I can use box layout also. Here I say box here, and this box will contain this paper also, like that, and I set this width to this box, and I say the width is 400 pixel. So you see that we have designed this. Now one more thing we can do, I can say margin. So I say the margin is 3. Save this. You see that we have this proper way, and we can pass padding also. So I say paper, and I say sx equal to, here I say p, so that p is 3, pass here. You see we have padding also. So in place of 3 I can say it is 2. Save this, and you see, and we may have a space also after this heading. So I say here that gutter bottom, save this. You see we have some space also here, like that, but you see that we do not have such kind of elevation here. This is look like a card. One more I can create here. For that, what I do, I just copy this box and I paste one more box here, save this, and you will have such kind of 2, but I need it in a row. So I say one more thing here, I can use a stack. So I say stack material UI stack I need. So here under this stack I just cut this and I paste this after this, and I provide spacing also. So I need to import, we have import, I need to pass spacing also, spacing equal to 2, and I say direction also. Direction is equal to row. So I save this. Now you see that we have such kind of thing, but here we have margin. So I remove this margin first of all, no need of this, and I remove this margin also, no need of this. Save this. Now you see we have both equal way. Now I put this margin to the stack. So I say margin is 3. Save this. You see we have this. Now I can increase the size also of this. I can say 450 and 450 like that. You see we have two types of pages, but here I will use elevation also. So in second one I say, in paper I say here elevation, and this value of elevation I can increase from 1. You see the 1 I say, so we see we have a by default 1, then I say it is to 10. You see that it's increasing the elevation, and the maximum value of this elevation is 24. Here you see that we have elevation, such kind of elevation we have, and this is by default no elevation is there, but here we have an elevation. So such kind of things we can do in paper. So we have seen that how we can use paper. We can use elevation also, we can use this property also, we can display information, and it look like a card value, but actually it is not a card. It look like a card, but it is not a card. Now what is the difference between paper and card component, that we are going to discuss in the next video. That we will take the example here and we will discuss the difference between these two. So I think you learn how you can use this paper component in Material UI. If you learn it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.